to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Memories by Maroon 5. So we're going to be trying to imitate what the guitar part is doing on the piano. So it's the same progression all the way through, just exactly what you heard in the preview, and like in all my videos, I've tried to be specific and accurate about the voicings of the chords as well, to try and make it sound as much as the song as we can. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here learning from my tutorials. If you would like to support this channel on Patreon, please see the description where you can do that. And a huge thank you to all my Patreons who support me so far. Give the video a like if you enjoy it and that it's useful. And I do take piano tutorial requests. This one was a request. At the very end of this video, there are some very set instructions on how you can request one from me. So let's dive into the tutorial. So this one's in the key of B major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of B major. So it's 5 sharps. It's quite heavy on the black notes, this one. So the melody and the chords are formed just using those notes. It's a chord progression of 8 different chords that's repeated the entire way through the song. So I'm going to teach you the left hand first. So first of all, here is middle C. So we're going to be starting in the left hand from the B just below middle C. So first of all we have B, F sharp, and then F sharp, and then G sharp, D sharp, D sharp. So I'll just do that, what we've done so far. So the timing of that goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the next bit you're going to play E, B, B, and then back to E and B, F sharp. So all in the same rhythm. So I'll join all that together. And again. So the right hand then, I'm going to play it with the left hand. So none of it is actually played hands together. It's all hands separate, so alternating hands. So it does make it easier to put together. So when the left hand has gone, the right hand is going to play B and D sharp. And then it's going to come down and then play F and C sharp after you've played the F sharp in the left hand. So far we've got it's got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then it comes up to the G sharp in the left hand, and then we have G sharp and B in the right hand, and then D sharp in the left hand, and then D sharp and F sharp in the right hand. So I'll join all that together. And then the next bit, so then this is when the E, the left hand comes down to the E. And you're going to play E and G sharp in the right hand. And then down to the B. And you're going to play B and D sharp in the right hand, and then back to the E in the left hand, E and G sharp, F sharp in the left hand, and then F sharp and A sharp in the right hand. So I'll do all that together very, very slowly. And then a bit quicker. So if you want to learn just the chords instead of playing it in trying to imitate the guitar, so the first chord is B major. The second chord is F sharp major. The next chord is G sharp minor. And then we have D sharp minor. Then E major. And then B major. Back to E major. And then F sharp major again. Oop. So then you could play more something along the lines of this. Sort of messing around with the notes in the left hand. So that concludes the tutorial. I hope that you have enjoyed it and that it's been useful. In order to request a piano tutorial, you do need to be subscribed and you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. All requests are noted and considered. Make sure to hit the notifications bell because your request could be coming up soon. I will see you in the next one.